let's go ahead and take my fridge from this to this. Hi y'all, and welcome back, or welcome to my channel. My name is Rebecca. So today we are going to be cleaning the fridge, hence why I'm right in front of it. So I normally try to go through every single Monday to throw away any bad food, to make sure we can see what we have, to figure out what things we need to buy for groceries. And I have not done that in a while. So I don't fully know what we even have in the fridge and what is still good, what isn't still good. Some of the things I know need to be tossed and I just never toss them. So we're gonna go through and we're gonna do that today. If we have time, going to also go through the pantry. So today is grocery day, so I'm trying to get this done before I get the groceries, so it's a lot easier to get everything into the fridge later today when I'm done. Let's clean the fridge and freezer, I guess. Look at us from our honeymoon cuties. This I need to completely redo and I just haven't had the patience to, but let's see what we're working with. So this is our fridge. The actual door isn't that bad, but in here she's rough. The freezer, honestly, I think I just need to throw away like one thing, but our freezer's so sad. And then our little pantry. So it's not too bad. There's just a little bit of reorganization that can definitely be done, but overall she's okay. I really don't know where to stand because I have so many lights on because our kitchen doesn't really get, so Josh just called me. So also, I love that you can see all the food I've already taken out. Josh just called me and now I'm gonna have to go grocery shopping by myself. I'm kind of sad. Okay, that bottom one I'm not touching for right now because that is the majority of things that have to be thrown away, and I'd rather clean the rest of this mess first, get everything back in so it's not out of the fridge for too long, and then I'll come back in and take all these things out. Nice and clean. Just don't look down there. But the rest of it, nice and clean. I realized I didn't take those ones out, so I'll just take those out when I'm dealing with everything in here. We're halfway done, so we did everything up here. Probably a little bit less than halfway done, but we got everything organized up here. Looking pretty good right now, if I do say so myself. Now to fight down here. I do want to say really quick, like I said at the beginning, this is me like not cleaning out for a while, and a big part of the reason why there's so much leftover food is because it was hidden behind other things. So I feel absolutely terrible with the amount of food that is going to waste and how much of the food has gone bad. Like, I do want to preface it with that because it's a lot, and it's a lot more than I even honestly realized. I thought it was just a few things, but there's a lot more in there that I had no idea had gotten to the point that it got to. I mean, nothing's like rotting or anything like that, but it's all like mushy or gross or whatever. So I am really sad with us, and honestly doing this clean out is going to help it so that we don't have that happen again, and we will stay on top of it from now on. So yeah, I hate how much food I'm going to be tossing out right now. So it is what it is. look, she is all done. Breakfast stuff here. Now we have leftovers essentially in here, and then our little bit of soda that we have, and then we have all of our like extra condiments like cream cheese, whatever, sandwich stuff, a little bit of alcohol that I don't drink. That one, that's solely if we want to cook with it, but I should probably toss it at this point. And that's if I really feel like it, but it's very rare, so that's why it's still here. And then we have moved all of our veggies and salads into here, so we have everything here instead of it being up there like before. And we have all of our bread in here. If I need to get any more bread, I don't know where I'm gonna fit it. Hopefully these are gone soon. My husband's been really liking having egg burritos for breakfast, which is why we had the 2 packs of it. So hopefully he finishes these and then we'll just have the one. But she's looking good. I still have to do this side though. And we finished this side, so you know what that means? We're all done. Let's run through it one more time. Breakfast, leftovers / soda, all the things I'm gonna use within a week, and lunch stuff. Nothing except alcohol. And veggies, bread. And we come on over here, we got our butter and only our butter. And then we have our different drinks, so our milk, our juice, and my creamer. We have all of the condiments. We have stuff for like barbecue or for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches or for salads or whatever. And then down here we have kind of the like dirty little secret stuff over here where it's the minced garlic, because we use garlic too much for me to want to always mince it myself. And then the Parmesan cheese to go on top of your pastas. And then we have additional relish and mustard that really is only used in specific recipes. And then this is what I think is the weirdest. We have our aloe vera and then our lotion aloe type thing, our after sun lotion or whatever down here. And then we also have a extra jam. Upon further inspection, I don't think anything needs to be changed here, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. This pantry, however, definitely needs a little TLC. Editing Gremlin Rebecca here. I didn't realize, but the entire video of me doing the pantry, my gigantic head is in the way, so just pretend that you saw me reorganizing some things and we'll just leave it at that. This was honestly pretty fine. I just don't know what to do with this big guy for now, so I guess he has to stay. Well, I guess there wasn't a ton of organization needed or really anything that I could do for certain parts. Let's do a quick rundown. So this area is breakfast stuff. This is random spices and soups in the back, protein powder. I think those are beans that probably need to get thrown out at this point. And then here we have all of our carbs, and then we have breadcrumbs also. But we have our pastas, our rice. I have more to fill that up, I just haven't done it yet. We have our sauces, I guess. All of our seasonings in the back. We have some chicken broth. And then this is more like our snacks / drinks area. So we have protein bars, these amazing layered fruit bars. They're so freaking good from Costco. The fixins for peanut butter and jelly. We have some pickles back there, honey, and then just random snacks. So my little beef sticks that I've been eating constantly, some sunflower seeds, and then Josh doesn't drink coffee, so he drinks these V8 Energies. And we have Sprite if we ever get an upset tummy. We have some hot cocoa, and then we have some more hot cocoa back there in that plastic bag. This is like the baking / random kind of section. So we have some oats, baking soda, Josh's protein powder. That's the backup rice over there that needs to get refilled. And then that's flour and sugar. And then we have everything else in here. So like cornstarch, brown sugar, the whole shebang is in there. And then down here is kind of all of our random extras. So we have our olive oil. We also have like Pam, crackers if we ever feel sick, our gigantic thing of distilled white vinegar. Also all of our like random cold flu stuff. So like NyQuil, Josh gets allergies, so any allergies is down there. Our Advil's right there and on top of the crackers for some reason. And you saw me put the gum in. And then our chips.